Hi everybody, this is Tim at Makers Machining here in Atlanta, Georgia at the World Congress Center in Atlanta. We're at the Fabtech show 2018. That's a show here for all the fabricating, metalworking, welding, all the latest and greatest technology in the metalworking field. If you get a chance to get down here and see the show, you will find all varieties of different machines and processes that you can use, programming, CNC punching, water jet cutting, you name it. It's all here at this show. So if you get a chance to come down here, that'd be great. I think this week or next week is the National Apprenticeship Week. I wanted to talk a little bit about vocational training here. This is an opportunity at this show to see all the various different trades employed, and it would be great if any of you would get into an apprenticeship, find an employer that's willing to train you, get signed up with an apprenticeship, whether it's sheet metal working, carpentry, electrician, you name it. There's a million things, HVAC, everything. But get yourself somebody that's going to train you. You might be looking to find a job if you're just getting out of school and finding a new trade or trying to see what you want to do. Try a couple different things out. You might be able to go to a staffing agency and get placed in a couple different places and get some ideas what kind of work is available out there, so you can find things that you might like to work at. But anyhow, we're at our booth here at Fabtech. It's the Line Performance booth, and we'll be here with our little poster. You can stop by and see if there's any questions you have about Makers Machining. Anyhow, we'll sign off here for now. We'll get the other videos to you here through the course of the week. Look forward to getting those out to you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.